Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge the AC in your G37. First, locate the low-pressure service port, usually on the passenger side of the engine bay. Then, attach your AC recharge kit to this port securely. Finally, start your car and set the air conditioning to its coldest temperature and highest fan settings. Once connected, slowly add the refrigerant to your system. Gently shake the can every few seconds to ensure the refrigerant flows smoothly and evenly. Keep a close eye on the pressure gauge on your kit. Stop adding refrigerant as soon as the gauge indicates the correct pressure range for your specific vehicle model. After recharging, it's crucial to check for any leaks. Use a leak detector or soapy water around connections and hoses. Next, feel the air coming from your vents. It should be noticeably colder and consistent. Also, listen for your AC compressor to cycle on and off, which indicates proper operation of the system. To maintain your G37's AC, regularly inspect hoses and connections for wear or damage. Replacing your cabin air filter every 12,000 miles helps maintain air quality and system efficiency. For more in-depth information and other great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the link in the description below. Keeping your AC system in top shape ensures comfortable driving year-round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.